Hello everybody, my name is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna apply on my lips 10 lip colors from Chanel ROUGE COCO Flush, $45. Really hydrating lipstick, pretty bright vibrant color, but they not go colors, it's vibrant colors, it's rich, but formula it's sheer. They're not heavy, they really soft looking lipstick, and I will show you 10 colors which one I choose for myself. I do like all of them, but I don't know which one is the best color on me, and I will need your help. Please let me know what is your favorite lip color, and if you like my makeup look. Yes, I just create a video using Guerlain eyeshadow palette. Please check it out, this video. It's named Imperial Moon. But again, today we're gonna talk about this beautiful 10 lipstick from Chanel, and I will show you day look, nighttime look, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comments below, and let's start. First color, which one I'm gonna use, it's color Emotion, and let me show you this color on my hand. Again, this is formal, it's not too rich, too pigment. Will give me nice hydration, soft, sexy look. This is its color Emotion number 78. If you're scared to use red lipstick, but you want red lipstick, it's a perfect sheer red color, I will say. And it's not even red, it's more it's just very natural, enhanced lip color. Second color, it's color 82. This again very soft, have little bit pinky I feel color here, and it's name Live. Okay, color 82. It is beautiful, soft, rosy undertone. If it's first one, I will say it is more red undertones. This is just rosy, and again, all what I can say, it's very natural color, enhancing my lips. And now let's compare two colors. Okay, you can see rosy, and first color it's little bit more red. Color number 3, it's Beat. It's very looks like orange color, and I believe it's number 60. Again, it's very orange color. Ooh, it's a brighter color, but it's soft orange color. I do like this. It's perfect summer color. Okay, we have first color, we have second color, we have third color, and you can see it is true orange color. Now I'm gonna show you color number 4. You can see it's a deep plummy color, number 96, Pantomime, I believe this color. I'm not sure if I pronounce correct or not, but will be beautiful for fall. Ooh, it's sexy. So far we tried with you 4 colors, and I like all of them. I really like all of them. Okay, this is so pretty for fall. Now I'm gonna use again soft color. It's 84, Immediate, I believe name. Again, I apologize if I pronounce wrong names. Remember, from Ukraine, and I'm still learning English. And by the way, this is, I think, will be so beautiful lip color with my makeup. And if you like this makeup look, yes, I already create video using Guerlain eyeshadow. Check it out. Oh, this is so pretty. And you know what, if I look it in a lipstick, it looks like more peachy, but when I apply on my lips, it's go a little bit actually more pinky. And let me show you this color Immediate. Again, I just few times to show you. You can see it's so soft, very, very natural. Now let's use lip color Pulsey. It's number 66, I believe, and it is like a red orange color. On my lips it's color 66, and I'll be honest with you, for all lipstick which one we tried, I feel this is the richest color. You need very little, it'll give you lots of color. It's not sheer, really like very bright. It's like red orange color. Again, it's number 66. And you can see on my hand it's pretty bright. I tried so far 6 colors and I really like this formula. It's very light on my lips, feels very hydrating, and it just colors. Every single colors, it's beautiful. Next color, it's color Boy. Yeah, it's really nude. It's like, I feel like it's gonna give me just a little bit shine and hydration. I don't think I'm gonna get much color from this lip color, but let's try. This is its color Boy. It has slightly little bit blue undertone. It's number 55. It's like a makeup no makeup or lipstick no lipstick look, but it's so pretty. And let me put next to this orange this color Boy. Okay, you barely can see, but it's there. Now again I'm gonna show you another color, and it's 67. You can see it have a orange undertone. Oh, let's try. Again, this is color 97 Ferveur. I don't know, definitely don't know how to pronounce this color, sorry again, but it's so beautiful. And let me show you right now on my hand. Now I'm gonna try color 68 All Time. It is beautiful red color. It does have little bit more pigment than another colors, and this is so gorgeous. And now I'm gonna try last color, and it's named Dominant number 106. It's pretty deep color. Let's see how it's gonna look on me, this color. This is its color 106. It's so beautiful for fall, for evening. I love it. I love this color again. It's 106. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and I hope to see you in Nordstrom, Tampa.